In this video, I'll show you how to create a beacons.ai page. To do this, what you want to do is go to beacons.ai. I'll also leave a link to them down in the description where you can get started for free. And then here it says beacons.ai/ just enter the name that you want your page to have. Then click on claim your username. And from there, they will see if it's available. If it is, click next, otherwise choose a different one. And then sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or your name, email address, and password. Now after do that, you can see what it does. Now just click next and just continue through the onboarding right here. Then what you can do is here enter your social links. So for example, your Instagram username, your TikTok username, YouTube, etc. Then it will look at your socials and see if it can find links and stuff like that. From there, just click next. Then it will build your profile. And then here you have your profile brief. Then you can click this is me. And then it will create a prompt. Now all you need to do is click enter, and now it is going to build the page out for you already. So it has an AI that basically builds the entire link in bio page for you. So I'd recommend just using that one. So from there, it will then give you a bunch of templates. Now you can select the one that you think looks best. For example, I'll go with this one and then click use this design. And from there, it will then have created your account. Now you can skip for now, so skip the upgrades. And then you can see you have your own page here. And then if you click on copy, you can now open it up in a new tab to find it. So now you know how to create a beacons.ai page. If you want to create a new one or you want to change it, just click new page and then add a new hidden page or a new normal page. And then from there you can create it. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.